Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your age in Outlook. So very first thing you need to do is to just open a browser and type in the search bar Outlook. Once you do that, you're gonna see the official site from them. Click on that site and right here you need to log in with your account. In my case I already have logged in, so if you haven't, just log in with your correct account whose age you wanna change. And once you do that, just head over to profile icon and right here click on my profile. Then here they want you to sign up with the account. Click on sign in. Then here we need to log in with our Microsoft account, but also keep in mind that your Outlook account should be connected to this account. Only then they'll allow you to change the age. Once you do that, you will able to see your profile info. So this is the age which I have chosen before. In order to change this, just click on the edit profile info button. For the verification, they want to send the code, so just click on send code option. Once you received the code, just enter that right here. I have copied my code. I'm just gonna paste that right here. And yeah, there you go. We can easily change the date of birth. So now you can just choose whatever you wanna change your birth date to. Additionally, there is an option to change your country or region. If you wanna change this too, you can just change that from here. Once you're happy with the changes, just click on save. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can change your age in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.